In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into the Microsoft Teams app. Whether you're joining a team meeting for the first time or accessing your project workspace, signing into Microsoft Teams is pretty straightforward, but I'm here to walk you through it step by step to make sure you feel comfortable and confident. First, let's start with launching the Microsoft Teams application on your device. This might be your desktop computer, laptop, or even your smartphone. Just ensure that the app is installed and updated to the latest version for the best experience. Now, you may find the app icon on your home screen, in your applications folder, or on your taskbar depending on your operating system. Once located, click or tap to open the application. Now we're one step closer to getting you signed in. As the application opens, you'll be greeted by the Microsoft Teams welcome page. Here you'll see a sign in button, usually prominently displayed in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and click this button to move forward in the process. Next, the app will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. This might be your work email, school email, or any Microsoft account you use for team services. Carefully type in your email. It's important to make sure you don't have any typos, as this is crucial for accessing your account. Once you've entered your email, click the next button. This will take you to the password entry field. Go ahead and type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock isn't inadvertently turned on unless it's meant to be. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, there should be a forgot password link that you can follow to reset it. After you've entered both your email and password, hit the sign in button once more, and there you have it. You're now logging into your Microsoft Teams account and will soon access all your chats, teams, and meetings. For added security, some organizations may require you to complete an additional verification step known as multi-factor authentication. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your identity, which might involve receiving a code via email, text, or an authenticator app. And that's it, folks. You are now ready to navigate through Microsoft Teams and connect with your team members, participate in robust conversations, and join meetings seamlessly. If any issues persist, checking the internet connection or reaching out to your IT department for assistance could be beneficial. Thanks for following along today. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy teaming,